Hey guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video I'm gonna show you like how you can map custom domain with your bubble.io application. So you can see this is the application, and so first of all, what you need to do, like you need to have admin access of your bubble application. So because if you don't have admin access of your bubble application, then you will not be able to attach the custom domain. So the second thing you need is you need to have domain access. Like uh, if domain purchased from the GoDaddy, from the Namecheap, or from any other platform, you need to have their admin access. Like you can, if this is not your application, your client application, then you can just simply say them like just add me as a collaborator in your domain account. Let's suppose this is the client, and I have asked for access, like you can add me as a collaborator in your domain account. So because sometimes clients do not gives your credentials, they can simply add you as a collaborator in their account. So first of all, what I have done, I have just sent my email like, can you please add me as a collaborator in your domain platform. So in today's video, like we will do with the Squarespace, but same procedure will be follow for GoDaddy, for Namecheap, or for any other platform as well. So you have two things. You have the admin access of your bubble application. You have the domain access. Like you can ask them credentials as well and simply log in with the credentials. So let's get started with the Squarespace. When you will accept the invitation, or you will have the access of the Squarespace, you will have this type of dashboard and this type of section of the domains. In the GoDaddy, in the Namecheap, you can find your domains and all other things. So you can see currently I have access to domains, and we are going to map this one. And first of all, what you need to do, you just copy the domain from here. You just copy the domain, and you will just go to your application, and here in the domain and email section, you will just paste it, and you will click on set up this domain, and this type of interface will be shown to you. So basically what you need to do, the basic procedure, you need to add these records, you need to add these DNS records in the domain DNS records. Let me just show you. So this is my domain, and I will just go to the DNS settings, and you can see here is the DNS settings. So in the GoDaddy, same interface will be there, and same procedure, or the same options will be there in any platform. And you just only need to add your application, bubble application DNS records to the domain platform, to your domain DNS records. So I will go in the DNS settings, and here I'm going to add all these 8 records. So first of all, this is the add record, and I will click on add record, and here you can see there are 8 records. So first 4 where name is empty, you can assume this name is at the rate. So first 4, all the records type will be the A type, and the name will be first 4 name will be the at the rate, and the other 4s will be the www. So let's just set up. So before starting, you need to make sure, like in your DNS records there should not be any records of the type A and the CNAME. Like if any records of CNAME type or A type record, you need to remove all those records. You need to remove all the records of CNAME and the A records from your current DNS records. currently I have removed, so there is no CNAME type records or the A records in this DNS settings currently. So you just make sure this thing. After removing all those records, and you need to add your current records one by one. I will just copy this IP from here, and I will just type host is the at the rate, and type will be the A, and IP address will be this one. I will just click on save, and okay, now the second one, I will just copy this one, add record. It may ask for the verification again and again during adding the records. So here the second record, type A, and IP address is this. I will click on save. So you can see these two records has been saved currently, and I will add the third records in the same way by clicking on add records at the rate, and type is A, the IP address this one, and same for the fourth one. So add record, host is at the rate, type A, and IP address this one. So all four records of at the rate has been added. Now let's just start with the www records. Control C and add record www. The type will be always A, and I click on this. Okay, the www record has been added. Now let's do it for other three as well. Control C, E records, and the IP address. Save. Let's just do it with the third one. WA records, and the IP address will be this. Fourth one. WWWA records, IP address will be this one. Okay, so now we have added all the records, all four at the rate records and www. Now let's, so now you need to just click on check my settings, and you can see you're all set. Your domain has been mapped. So if I will preview now, you can see it's showing cargo box 53, the domain name. Okay, so you can see it's showing me the application, the same application as I have, it's here. So yes, the domain has been successfully mapped, but sometimes it can show some DNS records 24 hours error. So don't worry about that error as well. You need to just wait for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. So it sometimes takes to propagate all your records globally. So don't need to worry about that error as well. So yeah, in this way you can attach any custom domain with your bubble application. So the same procedure for the GoDaddy, for the Namecheap, you just need to add your records. Just step one, make sure to delete your previous records, previous CNAME and the A records. Only these two type of records you need to remove from the list. And then step two is add your bubble application records there, the 8 records, 4 with the at the rate host and the 4 with the www host. Okay, hope you like the video. If you have any question or if you have any query, then you can comment there, and you can also contact us for the help. So yeah, we will try to assist you as soon as possible. Thank you so much.